Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have another T6 VW. Original radio, usual problem, beginning to freeze. So customer wanted Apple CarPlay. This was a great excuse to upgrade. So we have now fitted a KENWOOD AT21, Apple CarPlay, wireless, Android Auto. We've also got the steering wheel features working. We've used the KENWOOD retention harness, which keeps the cluster working and gives us the USB as well. Like usual, you've got everything: Bluetooth, DAB, USB video. There's the cluster working, and then when we put it into reverse, we've maintained the parking sensor display for the customer. Okay, if anything like this interests you, give us a ring. It's Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. Thank you very much.